ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੈਂ ਮਿਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹਾਂ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਹੈਬਿਟੈਟ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਵਿੱਚ। ਜੀ ਹਾਂ, ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ 2018। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਖੇਤਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਰੱਖੀ। ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਖਾਸ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ।
My name is Anchor Gaurav Sharma, and on behalf of Promising Indian Society, I welcome all the pretty ladies here and all the handsome gentlemen. Can I have a huge applause for all of you? So, I will talk about what Promising Society is all about, who we are. The Promising Indian Society is a registered body under the Indian Trust Act 1882. The organization has been established to recognize and reward the success stories of Indian and people of Indian origin who are mark with their work worldwide. And I would like to thank Prerna Singh, the founder, the director of Promising Indian Society. Can we have a huge applause for Prerna Singh? Well, Promising Indian Conclave and Awards. These are not just awards. It is a commitment where we honor people from our country, not from our country, in fact, other countries as well, who are promising and aspire to be promising. So, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Promising Indian, I welcome all of you once again to this beautiful and mesmerizing evening. So, we will start with the लैम्प लाइटिंग फर्स्ट। वो बोलते हैं कोई अच्छा काम अच्छे अवार्ड्स करने से पहले एक लैम्प लाइटिंग और भगवान का नाम लेके शुरुआत करनी चाहिए। तो मैं चाहता हूँ आई विल कॉल अपॉन प्रेरणा सिंह टू स्टार्ट द सेशन एंड वी विल गो एंड आई एंड प्रोसीड विद द लैम्प लाइटिंग।
Namaste everyone. It's my proud privilege to welcome all of you in the second edition of Promising Indian Awards. So, Promising Indian stands what it is, as the name says, Promising Indian. So everyone out here is a promising Indian. So let's have a clap for everyone. I welcome Anil Swaroop ji sir. He has seen me when I was an analyst. So he would be the right person to tell more about us and more about me. So to start the ceremony, I would like to invite Shri Anil Swaroop ji for the lamp lighting, Blossom Kochar ji, Ashok Singh ji, and Norina Sukmula, all the way from Mauritius.
Om Ganganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashtavinayak Namo Namah, Ganapati Bappa Moraya. Om Ganganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashtavinayak Namo Namah, Mangalamurti Moraya. Om Ganganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashtavinayak Namo Namah, Ganapati Bappa Moraya. Om Ganganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashtavinayak Namo Namah, Mangalam.
I met her almost a decade ago. A young girl, she's still young, trying to find her moorings, trying to find her space. And I'm so thrilled today to see that she's occupied so much space that she herself could become an inspiration for others. So God bless you, Prerna. You've done so well for yourself. And what is even more remarkable is the movement that you've started. I've often wondered that as Indians, since we are fond of so much masala, that we only believe in negativism. We only look around to find faults with others. And just before I superannuated, I started a movement called Nexus of Good. And this is a new narrative to establish that good things are happening. Unfortunately, we neither notice them, we don't recognize them, we don't appreciate them sufficiently, and hence we don't replicate them and scale them. It's high time that this is done by most of us. Because the nation wants to know, if you open the television in the evening, you'll find only negative things. You will believe either the world has collapsed or it is about to collapse. What are we leaving for our children? We are creating such a negative environment around us without realizing that so much good work is happening. In fact, everyone sitting in this hall, and I was going through the literature that was provided, each one is an achiever. How about trying to understand what they have done, how they have done, how can that be replicated, how these people could become inspiration for others so that others aspire to become what they have already become. And hence my compliments to Prerna for having initiated that. You know, I can see the bright people sitting here. It's radiating out of those achievers that are sitting here. I love it. I'm enjoying it. Would have loved to continue, but I'll stop here because you must be waiting for your awards. All the best for you and those that have won the awards, compliments to you. God bless Prerna. All the best to you as well.
May I like to invite Sandeep Marwaji on the stage.
ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ 2018 ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਭਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਦੱਸੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਕੰਮ ਕਾਰਨ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੱਖਰੀ ਪਛਾਣ ਬਣਾਈ। ਆਓ ਵੇਖੀਏ ਇਸੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟਸ।
The next performance that we have tonight is a Kathak dance by Miss Shikha Khare. Can we call the team and Miss Shikha Khare on the stage, please?
ॐ श्री राधा कृष्ण नमो नमः। ॐ श्री राधा कृष्ण नमो नमः। ॐ श्री राधा कृष्ण नमो नमः। गोपालं गिरिराज राजधरणं। गोपालं गिरिराज राजधरणं। गोपालं गिरिराज राजधरणं। गोपालं गिरिराज राजधरणं। गीतागिरन्थं गुरुवे। गीतागिरन्थं गुरुवे। गोपालं गिरिराज राजधरणं। गोपालं गिरिराज राजधरणं।
Now we'll proceed to the technical aspect of Kathak dance. This is also called Nritya.
Digitu, dinang, dinang, tagtu, 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 tagtunga, digitu, dilang dilang tagado to dibang jijigide to dibang dilang dilang tagana tagate dilang tagana tagate dilang tagana tagata
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to welcome with great applause Shooter Dadi. Please give it up for Ms. Chandra Tomar.
चंद्रो तोमर शूटर दादी के नाम तक प्रसिद्ध सबको ये कहना चाहूँ जो भी काम करोगे लगन तक करो करे इंसान सही तक करे भगवान हिम्मत तो करनी पड़ेगी
A corporate etiquette pioneer, fine dining expert, communication and networking expert, a motivational speaker, wine specialist and table stylist. May I please call upon Ms. Pugalia to come on stage. She happens to be the founder of Sonali Cubo, which has taken various social projects like Project Banghost at 10, Project Har Ghar Roshni, Project Yarya, Project Color of Innocence, and many more.
एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਤੇ ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੀਟੀਸੀ ਨੈਟਵਰਕ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਰਬਿੰਦਰ ਨਾਰਾਇਣ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸ ਦਿਗਗਜ ਹਸਤੀ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਇਸ ਸਮਾਰੋਹ 'ਚ ਸ਼ਿਰਕਤ ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਖਾਸ ਇੱਕ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ। ब्रेक तो बाद मैं मिशा सिंह एक बार फिर तुहाडे सब दा स्वागत करती हाँ। प्रॉमिसिंग इंडियन सोसाइटी की बागडोर सांभी प्रेरणा सिंह ने। जी हाँ, इन्हां दा शुरू तो ही यह मोटिव रहा कि उन्हां लोकां नूं एक वधिया राह दित्ती जावे जो कि देश नूं अगे वधाउण दी सोच रखते ने। ते आओ फिर सुनिए इन्हां तो ही कि असल च इन्हां दा की ऑब्जेक्टिव ते मोटिव रहा। ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ ਫਾਊਂਡਰ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਨਾ ਸਿੰਘ। ਆਓ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਸ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ ਬਾਰੇ। ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਹੈ ਮੈਮ।
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, my first question would be, what was your basic objective towards promising Indians?
I believe every Indian is special, but the Indians who are living abroad and they are losing connections to India. So we are trying to rediscover their roots and we are trying to connect them. So vision is to connect all the Indians together.
We have heard about startups. ठीक है, आप startups पे focus कर रहे हैं. We are into different sectors. Transgender पे भी मैंने अभी देखा. तो और कौन से फील्ड हैं जिस पे इंस्पायरिंग इंडिया is focusing, inspiring Indian is focusing?
So, Promising Indian is basically a platform and we work on 14 sectors. So, of course, entrepreneurship is one, hospitality and tourism is there. Then we have sectors like healthcare, which is, of course, medical tourism. Our prime focus is that. Then we have people like from a different facets of the society. So it could be entrepreneur, it could be the industry manager, it could be basically we act as a bridge between the people who are living abroad and who are living here. So we are trying to match make who is the right contender for what. So the Indians who wants to settle abroad or diversify abroad, we help them out. The overseas Indians who want connection in India to expand, we help them out with that.
And personal note ਤੇ ਪੁੱਛਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਦੀ ਜਰਨੀ promising Indians ਦੀ how was it, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰਹੀ ਇਹ ਜਰਨੀ from the startup ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ awards conduct ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਕੈਸੀ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਜਰਨੀ?
Journey, I will not say it was very smooth. Of course, it was full of challenges and there were a lot of initial issues. I'm sure that every startup faces. So, मैं अपने आप को entrepreneur नहीं socialpreneur बोलती हूँ.
So, कुछ ऐसा जो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ share करना चाहोगे, कुछ एक ऐसी difficult moment of life promising Indian ਦੇ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ share ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ?
I think funding is a major issue because people appreciate the idea, but I will not say that they are not coming up with the support, but yes, when you run an organization and you organize such events, it involves a cost. So everything is accounted. So people should understand that this has a long way to go. So if you start today, it will be a starting of a relationship. You build it today and you get it tomorrow.
Promising Indians is going international. Yes, ठीक है. ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੀ criteria ਰਹੇਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ, ਕੀ objective ਰਹੇਗਾ, ਕੀ focus ਰਹੇਗਾ?
Basically, we'll be launching one international chapter every year. So my vision is to add one continent every year so that we can organize one event in every continent. So 7th year would be the last year where we'll be uniting all the 7 continents. Flagship will be happening always in New Delhi in the month of December. Other events will structure that how it will be placed in the months. Basic objective would be to unite and enforce all Indians to get together, and if we unite together we will not be less than superpower, I guess.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਤੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀਜ਼ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ, ਕਿਸ ਮੁਕਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ?
India is an emerging nation, and as our Prime Minister has already said, that India is a land of opportunity. So you come, explore. India has a lot to offer to the world.
ਅਖੀਰ ਮੈਂ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਕਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਦਾ ਵੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਰੀਫ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ਼ਿਪ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਤੇ what are you offering?
So membership is basically you enroll for the community benefits. जो भी हम events ये 7 continents में करने वाले हैं, they can be a part of it. They can actively involve and tell what issues they are facing in business expansion, in finding a right match. I'll give you one example. For example, I am going to US and I don't know who fellow Indians are there, right? So Promising Indian Society will have the list of all the fellow Indians who are living in US. So once you are going and we know that your business is cosmetics, for example, Ayurveda, we can connect it to the right person. So that kind of bridge we want to build upon.
ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਨ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਨਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ ਦੇ ਮੁਕਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ 2018 ਅਵਾਰਡਸ। ਮੈਂ ਮਿਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੰਘ, ਕੈਮਰਾਮੈਨ ਗੋਵਿੰਦ ਤੇ ਵਿਕਰਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ PTC ਨਿਊਜ਼।